guys, we are here at Mount Forest and there's quite a bit of... So let's take a look around and see some of these cars. This is the first run for my figure eight car. So let's see what's going on. So the classes they're running are figure eight, bone stock, junk run, and I believe youth figure eight. So here we got another Cavalier. This one's for figure eight. I believe that Civic is for figure eight. I believe this Corolla is figure eight. Not sure. That's an Impala, so that runs mini here. Stock compacts. Talk to me after the figure eight and I'll take one out of my car and put it in. But you gotta drive like crazy. I'm going in. Kia Rondo. We got some figure eight guys over here. You know what, the figure eight scene is getting huge here. And I think what's actually helping it is a lot of these figure eight drivers are actually helping each other, which is so nice to see. Lots of figure eight stuff done here. Like, honestly guys, most of these cars all around here are figure eight guys. So let's go get a better look at some of these. So over here we have some figure eight guys, double bumpers, big tires on the back. You're gonna see how these guys do. We got Jake over here. You don't see too many Hondas in the figure eight anymore. Most are all Cavaliers, but that guy's getting pretty good with that Honda. Some Cobalts, Cavaliers, more Cavaliers. These are all figure eight guys over here. Honda Civic, that one there looks like stock mini smash. Accord on the trailer. A Civic over here. Sorry, not a Civic, a Corolla. Damn it, Cavalier. Sorry guys, the heat's been getting to me. I'm getting all confused. Cavalier, an old VW in there with a 2.5. Those things there are pretty strong. You just gotta learn how to keep the motors in them. Coming over here, we got another Civic figure eight. Cobalt with another figure eight. Toyota Echo figure eight. And now look at all the crowds of people around my damn car. What's the hold up over here, everybody?
Looking at that awesome e-brake.
Over here we have a Ford Taurus. Not too many of those left here in Ontario, so we'd like to see how that thing does. I've seen them run in the past. We'd like to see how it does though. We have ourselves a VW Jetta. Oh yes, this is a VW Jetta for figure eight. A little different. I remember him being here last year. Don't see too many Jettas in the figure eight, that's for sure.
See a Golf too.
Yeah. And then we have Stevens Envoy over here. You guys have seen this thing being built at my place for quite some time. It's finally here. It's finally ready to be ran. Hopefully he does good. We have Jesse Sandbrook over here with his Colorado. Well, I guess Steven's sitting in it. You know, I know a guy that can tune this to make it run nicer.
I know a guy that doesn't put memory to the computer.
And then we have an aluminum Impala over here. We got a Toyota Sienna back over there. Josh's one, pretty beat up. So my plan is to have a camera inside my car, Jesse's, Stevens, and then this car right here is Chris Trappier. This one here and this Corolla is going to have a camera for the windshield class. How's the car going, Chris? See, that's the look of a guy that's really stressing out, so we're not going to talk to him. We're just going to look at his car. And then we have ourselves another Impala over.
2 hours of driving.
2 hours of driving to get here.
No, not here. To get everything done.
Oh. And then we come over here.
Side me.
Corolla over here. And Toyota Camry over here with a nice paint job on it. We got the Grinch on the top of this Home Hardware car. And then we got a pumpkin face on this one, it looks like. Quite a bit of cars here. Oh, I got the Grinch there. A Nissan Versa, right? Nice. Hopefully you have a good time today.
It's all about fun, right?
That's right.
It's all about the kids.
Yeah, for sure. People are starting to copy my dirt bike tires. Got these guys over here. Looks like the bone stock guys hanging out over here. And here's the track, everybody. So I think they're gonna start off with figure eight and then go on to everything else. Oh my God, is that Wolverine over there? That's Deadpool and Wolverine over there, everybody. No way. No way. But here's our track. Hopefully we have a great derby today, guys. Seems to be a pretty good turnout for a Friday night, I'll tell you that. But, and if you guys know this thing, this is Last Matt Standing. He's the guy that actually painted my figure eight car, and he painted a different car at my place, but I haven't put up that video yet, so you guys are gonna have to stay tuned for that. He does some amazing paint jobs, that's for sure. So thanks for watching, everybody. We are going to be getting some racing and derby action going on here for you, and then we'll get it all filmed and we'll get it on YouTube. So make sure you come back tomorrow to watch some of the videos. Take care.